Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be doing is talking about WorkHorse Group, ticker symbol WKHS. We're looking at the daily chart here. So basically each of these candlesticks represents 1 day of price action. And the indicator that you see that I have, it's basically identifying when is a good time to buy and when it's a good time to sell your position. And then we got a buy signal here, which did play out quite well, as it did go all the way up to about 22.75. Now, whether it's a good time to buy right now, I'd say no. Now, if you know any technical analysis, you can go ahead and therefore not only is this extremely overbought on the RSI, as you can see here, but we do see a nice 1 day reversal here. So if you don't know what the 1 day reversal is, it's basically on an uptrend. The bar closes, the close of the next day of the previous day here closes below the open, and this one is a strong red signal right here, although the bear signal didn't really didn't pop up now. So it may still be in play for a little bit longer, although if you had bought this stock already back here, I'd say just sell it, or even if you bought it at 12, I'd say sell your position because it may reverse. Now, of course, then again, this stock could go ahead and run and continue to run, no problem. But buying in right now, if you don't have an open position with Workhorse Group, I would not enter this. We would basically, if we draw support and resistance lines, I'm not going to draw them here, but you can pretty much get the idea. Right here, basically the resistance, and then down here where prices are just bouncing off of, that'd be the support line. So just picture a horizontal line there and up here. So yeah, basically right now extremely overbought. Now the RSI isn't meant to be like taken like the end all be all indicator, right? It's just meant to give you an idea of where the stock is being valued at compared to previous price action. So right now I wouldn't enter this position. The time to enter this position would have been at 6, 12, so on. But right now I would not enter it there. Momentum, I mean MACD lines are pretty much stretched out. We'll probably see a crossover in a little bit, but I wouldn't buy it there. But with that being said, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're actually wondering what indicator I'm using, comment down below. I'll respond. And if you'd like to join our Discord server, where we have options analysts, stock analysts, crypto analysts, and forex analysts, just go ahead and click the link in the description, join that server, and we'll keep in contact there. But basically that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found value in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.